Today, we are continuing our 30-day family road trip, and we are headed to Rocky Mountain National Park for a few days. We need to get settled into our hotel so that we have time to explore the mountains. Do you think we'll be able to stay under our $10,000 budget for this trip? Keep watching and subscribe to see that final total. Alrighty guys, we had some breakfast at our hotel and now it's time to go. We are headed to our next national park. We're gonna be staying in Granby, Colorado, and it's near Grand Lake, and we're going to Rocky Mountain National Park, so I am super excited about that. Hey, what you doing? Are you in my seat? What are you doing in here? Yeah? You gonna go get in your seat? No. Yeah? We gotta drive. No. Hey, we gotta go to the mountain. You wanna go to the mountain? Yeah, I don't think that's gonna work right now. Let's go. Alrighty guys, we are down at the Safeway. Krista went to go get some groceries for the next few days. We also filled up on some gas that they have here, and that cost $47.79. Do y'all still think we're gonna be under budget for this trip? No. No? How much do you think we've spent so far?
$170.
170?
Wait, no. Because my guess was like $350,000. Or probably gonna be over $9,000.
Over 9,000? So you think we've spent $300? Is that what you said?
350.
350?
No, 357.
357? So how much do you think we've spent?
We like between 900 and...
Okay, I do realize that just the trip to the Grand Canyon was $1,300, right?
So it's probably between $1,000 and $2,000.
Okay. Jacques, you still saying 300?
No.
No? How much do you think?
$2,058,000.
2 million? We better not have spent 2 million.
$2,058,000.
I think we're definitely gonna be under budget. Gotta get those groceries. I need like a... Bubba's in the van.
Oh.
Do you want to go to the van?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's so hard to plan meals like that, you know? Like,
I know.
I donated $3 to the Muscular Dystrophy Association.
Okay.
Like, I literally had stuff in my basket and then realized it was too long to fit in the ice chest. And I had to go back, like, and get 2 separate packages of meat.
Right,
so, like, I couldn't get chicken because all the chicken packages were big.
Yeah.
And so that had to change.
So many things.
So many things.
We spent $129.41. That should get us till when?
3 days.
3 days. These kids are expensive. They eat, and we eat.
I was going to be fair, we eat.
We're making a pit stop at Pioneer Park.
We're using obstacle course.
You want to show them around?
Okay, so first, Beckett is playing on this bulldozer. Hey, Beckett. The slide. That's a giant climbing thingy. Pop that. Okay, good. And there. Did you get? Oh, good. Woo! It's swinging. You're swinging. Okay, you ready? No, stop! Don't do it. This is how you do it. I have to go slow. Hey guys. Gonna see some. Wait, now here's something. Good job.
So at the Safeway, we picked up some corned beef, a snack combo of cheese, medium roast beef for lunch, and pretzel chips. A good little lunch. While we're at the park, I figured we could put on our 2 new stickers from Mesa Verde and the Black Canyon of the Gunnison. So this is the one that we got for the Black Canyon. One right there. There we go. Perfect. Hello.
How are you?
We're good with the 4th grader in the park.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you have a nice day.
You too. Alright guys, we decided to come to the national park first before going to the hotel because we had a little bit of extra time. So we're gonna go check out the visitor center, but first we're gonna take our picture next to the sign. We've been trying to do this at most national parks that we go to. We've missed a few of them though. Let's take a picture.
Oh, there we go.
Ready? So this is the entrance to this national park that's least visited, and so to stay away from some of the crowds and whatnot, we decided to come to this one. We're going to get our BBSS.
Badge, book, sticker, stamp.
Let's get it. Oh, look, the water.
This is a waterfall.
A waterfall? It's a beautiful waterfall.
Waterfall.
It's a waterfall. All right, let's go on in. Hello.
How are you guys?
We're good.
Good. Are you looking for something? That's what I thought you guys were looking for. How old are you guys?
I'm 10 and I'm 8.
10 and 8? And 2. And 2. We do have an under 5.
All right.
We just got into town and decided to come to the park for just a bit today, but we're really going to spend the day tomorrow. And so just want to understand this right. At 5 o'clock, I have to get on the internet and reserve a time slot to come in for tomorrow.
Right, so
Okay.
that's if you're coming in after 9 o'clock. If you come in before 9, you're good for the whole park, excluding the Bear Lake corridor,
Okay.
which is that over here.
How long would it take us to get from here all the way to there? I mean, like,
2 hours.
oh, we're not going that far.
So if you're just
Okay.
staying on this side, then I wouldn't even worry about it if you guys are able to get up and
Oh, yeah,
here
we'll
by
be here.
8:30, 8:15, 8:30-ish. All right, so here's yours. And yours.
Oh, you
And then I
can't
got one for you.
copy off of your sister.
And now we are going to give the badges at the same time, okay? But this has to be a promise that you guys are going to be able to fill as much of your book out as you can, okay?
Yes.
Can you do
Promise?
that for me?
We have a long drive some days.
Yeah. So, and if you guys have questions, we'll be here and around the park if you guys can find us, okay? So I'll give these to one of you, and then
Great.
you can come back and we can swear them in too. Otherwise, you guys can do it. The pledge is on the back of the book.
Okay.
Thank you so
y'all.
much.
All right. Got our books, got our badges. Let's go get our stamp and sticker. All right. Oh, this one's kind of fun.
But this thing is kind of fun too.
I like that one.
Passport stamp on.
Y'all want to do our stamps real quick?
Ooh, look at this.
There we go. Badges.
Who says Judy? Thank you.
Push hard.
Good job. Oh, that's a
Two
good
rows
one.
have the crown.
All right, let's do the badges.
Ashley, that's good. Everything needs to move.
Good one.
Oh wow.
Hello. Just need a sticker. Oh, okay. Just that's it. Got our $4 sticker.
Hey, Dad, not on the stuff
Oh, fun.
and the hat.
Cool.
I
Oh my goodness, you're so cute.
And these are
So this is the first national park that we came to where it started raining on us. Hopefully it's not raining tomorrow. All right, you want to go down to Coyote what?
Coyote, whatever thing she said.
Okay. Oh, Rocky Mountains in the rain. Granby Ranch, 2 miles. We gotta go half a mile.
Keep glaring at me. We'll have a conversation when we get up there. Come on.
Go on in. We'll stay in Grand Lake. Did you see what room number we were?
33.
633.
33. Can I just
I'm gonna do Here we go. Ooh, it's got stairs. Whoa. Look at this kitchen. Oh, this looks nice. Wow. This is Mom and Dad's bed. Murphy bed is right there. There's a bathroom. Hey, I got a big tub here. One shower. Oh, we even got a little closet. Oh, nice. We even have a patio area. Yeah. Scoot to the side. Is this chair your favorite chair?
Yes.
It's got secret compartments.
How do you do this?
I don't know. All right, let's see how this Murphy bed works.
Break through it. Wait, watch out. I want to sleep on this bed. And I can sleep on that dopey couch.
Alright, figure it out.
This is great. We just need a house. Put a workout mat
I
in
got
your
a hotel tour.
That's cool.
Is this mine?
Alright guys, we're doing laundry here at the hotel. A guy told Krista that there's an app that works with these machines here, which we had never seen before.
Because
Why?
the machine's not working.
Oh.
That's why they moved it over to ours.
Alright, switch to a different one. What's wrong with this one?
That's for a QR code.
Yeah, that's... No? Huh.
God bless it.
Alright guys, we're still trying to figure out how to dry our laundry. The last one we went to didn't have this QR code on it. We're gonna try this one now. This is our third machine. Although I'm just noticing that the lint trap is missing in this one. And this one says 33 minutes. I'm wondering if it's having issues because it's missing the lint trap. Okay, so I'm gonna try something. I'm going to get that lint trap from this other machine. We're gonna put it in that machine and see if that makes it work. Right here. I think that this might be the issue. Let's go test this out. Let's see if it works now. It still ain't working, guys. I just tested it, put it in, closed it, made a funny noise. Someone just finished their dryer. Let's see if this one works. Boom, yes. Alrighty guys, laundry is done. Put it back in the bag here and we're ready to go. Click that video to continue the adventure with us.